Okay, so today we're gonna do an example from Khan Academy in case you guys are having trouble solving this one. This one is called Graph Quadratics in Factored Form. So this is the example that we're gonna do together. You might get the same problem, so good for you. Okay, so I wrote down the problem already and I need to find my roots. Again, the roots are the x-intercept, so that's what I'm trying to do. So I'm gonna set each one equal to 0. X minus 9 equals to 0. And so I know that x equals to positive 1 and x equals to positive 9. So I know that these are my roots. So if I were to graph my parabola in paper, and I have my x-axis, my y-axis, this is 1, so this is where I would place my point. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the other one would be here. So remember, the vertex is exactly between these 2 points. So I need to find where the middle is. So if I have 1, remember this is 1, and this is 9, I need to find what the middle value would be. So that means I need to take the average, or you can just find it by counting, but I'll take the average. 1 plus 9 divided by 2, that's equal to 10 divided by 2, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So that means that the middle x value here is 5, so 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I know that my vertex is somewhere in this line. So that's why I need to find my y value. So if I know that x equals to 5, so I know that in my vertex, x equals to 5, I need to find my y value. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna substitute back into the original equation. So 3/8, so y equals to 3/8, 5 minus 1, and 5 minus 9, and that's gonna equal to 3/8. 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 9 is negative 4. And so now I have y equals to 3/8 times negative 16. And I can add a 1 under, I can cross, cancel, this is gonna cancel, and this is gonna become negative 2. And so I have 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, over 1 is just negative 6. So I know that my vertex, because this is what I got for y, I know that my vertex is 5, negative 6. Which means if I were to draw it here, I would go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is already 5, so I'll plot my point there, and I can connect my parabola. Again, this is just a sketch, and that point right there is 5, negative 6. Okay, so now I'm ready to put it in Khan Academy. So in Khan Academy, they only give me the vertex and one of the roots. So I'm gonna put the root on the right side, which is, if you remember, it's 9. So I'm gonna put it at 9. And then this one, sorry, so there's 9. And then this one is gonna be my vertex. And remember we said it's 5, negative 6. Let me just check that it's right there. Yes, it is. So then we check our answer. And there you go. Hopefully this helps.